Alright, garbage can parts plane, dancing poke wing, and just a bunch of crap. Hold on. Hold on. This is gonna be weak sauce. Ready? Whoa. I cracked it as I freaking threw it. Is it actually flying?
It's very tail heavy. We have to adjust the battery. It just wants to stall.
Okay. Oh, holy crap.
Oh.
You got plenty of power.
I'm gonna land it with just the battery.
I don't know how.
Throw me this way.
I'll throw you.
Alright, I need a lot less throttle and take off this time. Like quarter.
Alright, so that was tail heavy. So we moved the battery all the way forward where it's about to fall off. So, ready? Why does it look like it's flying worse?
You got a head like that. I'm afraid to turn it.
Why?
It's not stable.
Already better than the dancing poke.
Debatable. There's too much throw. We need some expo on the elevator.
I put expo on it.
Well,
not enough, obviously.
that should help.
Oh.
Wind took it straight down. You see that?
Sure that wasn't pilot?
I don't know what it was.
So not a good FPV platform yet.
No, I'm not trying to fly it over you, but like when you go down the elevator, it goes straight down. Look. Like, you want to try and fly it?
Not really.
Why do I always have to fly the crap?
I'll fly it.
Just don't turn down. You have to have a lot of up elevator on your turn. Use just the rudder to turn. Try not to use your aileron. People are watching like this.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want them to see it.
Yeah, don't fly it at people. Yeah. It's flying. You're like, not really.
Now with a lot of, like, I'm just constant stick movement. I'm trying to trim it out, but it's not working. It still wants to climb.
You think it's still tail heavy?
I don't think it's tail heavy. I think it's just because it's such a narrow fuselage and such a big wing. I gotta slow it down. See, it wants to fly like this. It's just, so we proved the poke was the wing problem. It likes to fly really slow.
Yeah.
With all the dehedral.
Yeah.
So like this is decent.
So it's essentially like...
Ooh, do not cut the throttle off. Good God. I thought it was slow.
Goalpost.
I didn't know they were there.
I neither. So I saw you almost about to land on one.
Yeah.
How long will it fly?